Welcome to the Virtual Environments course. My name is Elizabeth Hodge and I'll be your professor this semester. The purpose for this video is to give you an introduction to the course material, the format, as well as the requirements. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Into your course, you'll see that the first page appears here is the announcements area. On the left-hand side, there's the menu, and on the right-hand side is the information that corresponds when you click on the various links. To begin with, let's access the syllabi and course calendar. When I click on the menu, it opens up the folder that contains the syllabus. Both the syllabus and the course calendar are PDF documents. This allows for you to save them to your computer or to print them off, making it a little bit easier to access the information. You can also enlarge it or make it smaller. One of the things that I think is important to go over in the beginning is what the requirements are for the course. As you can see, the course breakdown includes 4 participation Second Life class sessions. These are synchronous sessions, which mean that they're conducted live, so you do have to attend class sessions within Second Life to participate both with myself as well as your classmates. You'll also have 3 article analysis assignments, 1 building object assignment. You'll conduct and participate in a debate, as well as write 1 position paper. There's more information that I suggest that you view as you go through the syllabus, but just a quick overview for now. Moving back to our course site, we'll open the course calendar. The information listed here should take you from the beginning of the course to the end of the course. You see here the Module 1 date, the module material that you'll be covering during that time frame, as well as the objectives and outcomes that you'll need to complete during that time frame. So for example, Module 1 runs from August 20th through September 9th. Within the module information, you can see the topics that will be covered and the optional readings. And then listed are the actual requirements that you'll need to complete to finish the module material. So to begin with, you'll start with signing into class. You will test your computer to make sure that it will run the Second Life software. You'll be joining Second Life. You'll learn about basic skills within the environment, and then you'll sign up to attend an orientation session that will be conducted within the Second Life environment. This session is extremely important. I've offered 2 options for students, both a morning and evening, so that I can catch those that have differing schedules. And then you'll need to complete an article analysis. As you look at the course calendar, you can see that the materials listed consistently from one module to the next regarding what the requirements and the due dates for your assignments. As we move back to our course, the next area is the course modules. As noted in the course calendar, there are 6 modules throughout the semester. When you open Module 1, it will take you to more course materials that you'll be completing. These obviously correspond to the items that were listed in the course calendar. So you can see here you've got Module 1 material and quiz. You've got your sign-in information. You have your article analysis assignment, information about myself, and then some facts that are helpful. What's important to note here is that within the Blackboard environment, I've created some material for you to go through. These include both tutorials, videos, readings, and quiz questions. Now the quizzes, although it will give you your score, these quiz grades are not recorded and included within your grade. When you click on Module 1, it actually opens a new window. At the top, there's a navigation bar, and you'll just proceed from one to the next to go through the material. So here we've got listed the objectives and outcomes. When we click on next, it takes us to a slide presentation. So this will go over what you need to complete. When you've gone through each of these, you'll click on the next arrow. You'll have your first quiz question. So to give you an idea, it says to be officially enrolled in the Byte 4100 or Byte 6100 course, you must sign into class via the discussion forum. Your electronic signature signifies that you will adhere to the academic integrity policies and procedures outlined in the East Carolina University Student Handbook. It says, please select the best response to complete the question. You click on OK. You answer the question by either marking one or the other. Obviously, this one is true. We click on Submit. Gives us feedback. And we're ready to move on to the next. Again, here we've got a slide presentation. So we can click on it to go through. When we're ready, we click on Next. More quiz questions. The point that I want to make is that you can view this as many times as you want. So don't feel like the one time you come in and you access it, that you're not able to come back in and review the material. Right now, what's loading is an actual video that's going to walk you through how to join Second Life. The process has become extremely simple, and I think it's beneficial to go ahead and view it. But as you can see, when I click on play, the video begins, and you'll be able to go through it as you go through the entire module information. And again, when you're ready, you move forward, answer quiz questions, complete readings, until you're finally done, and you will exit back. Once you've completed the module material and quiz, please note that these are for each module that you have during the semester. You'll actually have 5 of these modules, even though you have a total of 6 modules. The last module within the course is for your final debate session. Once you complete that, you'll then move on to the next steps, which is signing in, completing the article analysis, and attending orientation. This semester, I've also created a link to assignments. Although your assignments are embedded within each module, I know sometimes students have a hard time remembering where they were posted. So I've created a separate link so that you can easily come in and access any one of the assignments that you're required to complete throughout the term. The next area is contact information for myself. I've posted my office hours and how you can contact me, whether it's through phone, text messaging, email, if you want to have a video conference call, or if you'd like to meet within Second Life, I'm available. All you need to do is contact me and let me know that you'd like to set up a meeting. And the last area are tools, which are available for each of you to access. For the most part, students use the My Grades, which is where you'll be checking your grades for your assignments that you've completed. Obviously, there are other tools that are available to you that you can access as well. In a nutshell, that is the 4100 and 6100 multi-user virtual environment course environment, so to speak, within Blackboard. We'll also be showing you a video on Second Life as well. So good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.